My name is Justin Brunel from Mile 30 Adventures. I am teaming up with filmora.io to bring you an awesome series on how to create an incredible travel video for your next trip. You'll find valuable tips that apply to all genres of video and something for all levels. You're going to learn everything about using a GoPro, from its settings to how to mount it. I'll also cover time lapses, shooting in low light, and even how to fly a drone. Whether you're new to making videos or you're looking to bring your next travel video to the next level, so stick around. We are about to have an incredible time. You know that moment that it finally hits you that you're actually going on a trip? Yeah, I just got that because I just got my online boarding pass. Too bad it's only 2 in the morning and I don't leave until noon. I'm ready to leave this cold weather. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this trip. Filmora.io is flying me to Vancouver for a week to make a travel adventure video. This is going to be such a fun week. I'm going bungee jumping, hiking in the mountains, exploring downtown Vancouver, and a bunch of other really cool things. Thank you.
Please proceed to the customer service.
For as long as I can remember, I've always loved traveling and adventure. I think it's something that's really important to do and anybody can do it. One step at a time. Okay, let's get today started. Cannot believe how beautiful this place is. This is absolutely beautiful. You meet new people, you get to explore new places, learn new things, and it gets you out of your comfort zone. So, let's get started.